Alright, because if I don't start now, we're not gonna start again. Alright, so I'm Jay, and this will be my new YouTube channel. I'm going to try to take you guys through my life, what's here now, what's to come, and yeah, take you guys on what do you say, my road to happiness. So this is my semi-formal introduction. I kind of like the lighting, walking, of course, slightly uphill. Even though I go to the gym 5 days a week, you can hear the breathing, right? Alright. So I'm gonna walk and go to my in-laws' house and grab her car. I don't have one. I don't have one right now. I owned 7 cars before, and this is the longest I've been since I bought my first car without owning a second one, and that's from February, and it's now December. So yeah, I think I sold my last. No, that was a Camry. I had an X-Trail for about a month or 2, which is the shortest. Yeah, the shortest period I've ever owned a car. But you know, it has had its issues. I actually bought that car on YouTube so I can, you know, make some off-road videos, some cool stuff, some real adventures. You know? Because of course this is the road to happiness. But for now, it didn't work out. Car, it had real bad steering, like it leaked a lot. Like it didn't leak as much when I just got it, but from St. Mary to Montevideo, just to park it and then checked on it. Like I got home really late, checked on it the next day, and it was a mess. And you know, I don't own my own house, so the landlord is a grumpy lady. Yeah. She doesn't like cars in her yard, especially cars that leaks. She doesn't want you to wash your car in her yard. She doesn't even want your car in her yard. But she did give me permission before I moved here. But she's old and grumpy, so she's more to complain about having it there than revoking the privilege. But yeah. Still annoying. So yeah, my mother is also a YouTuber, or I should say is the only YouTuber I know in the family, and I wanted to do this YouTube thing long before her. She just decided on a whim that she'd do it, and I think she said she has her biggest, like our most amazing videos or whatever, I don't remember what she said. She got her 2 most amazing videos a couple days ago. I think she told me Friday or Thursday, that 2 days before. So yeah, that she had her biggest view issue in that little period right here. So yeah, wanna be just like her. Like she just decided she had to do something and just do it. I've been wanting to do this so long. I had a Samsung S10 or S8 at the time. That's like 4 years back, 4 or 5 years. And every time I'd be like, I need a new phone, something with good camera, so I can start. And if I get a new phone, I'll be like, oh, this doesn't have enough storage. So I'm gonna need, and it's always an iPhone, so I can't just get storage unless I pay for online. Things wasn't that smooth back then, where everything, like, you can use your Visa card now or your MasterCard and just buy things online. It wasn't that smooth, so it was a bit hard to even pay for Apple subscriptions and stuff like that. So you just have to work with what you have. So if you have a lot of photos and videos, you just have to keep those as it is, unless you're gonna delete them and then replace them with videos for YouTube. And I just didn't get around to it, even though I'm a busy busy person because between gym and work, and then leaving work at 7, even though I should be leaving at 6, I leave at 7. To come home, I have to cook for lunch for the next day, and rinse and repeat every day, 5 days. I get Saturdays and Sundays off, that's it. And then I'm either on the road on Saturdays or Sundays, or both. Or I just try to, I can't really sleep in because my body will definitely ache, but I try. But yeah, I've always wanted to do this YouTube thing. Always wanted to do it, especially, you know, traveling around Jamaica. I've already been to all 14 parishes, capitals and all, more than once. More than a handful of times actually. But yeah, I'm at the house, so this will be my introduction. I really like telling stories, so if you see me go off on a tangent, that's it. Alright. Yeah, so this is the situation now. You know, big gym guy. I ordered on Black Friday some like a pot of protein, some Amazon smart switches. I think I had one set, but the option was for 4. You have a 2 option one and a 4, and I ordered the 4 one. See? Fine. Tell me why. Tell me why. Pretty. Oh, just as bulk supplement, but let me just pop this up. For some reason I can't switch camera. Alright. Bulk supplement. Creatine monohydrate. That I was expecting, that I bought. I really need a start. Blue raspberry. So this is Miracle. It was $16. Normally 22 was 16, so I just said, why not just grab 2? Because the one I have now, is Arctic Smoke. I really like this one. This is blue raspberry. 2 blue raspberry. Hopefully they're good. So yeah, this have good amount, probably a week, 4 days tops. So that's that. I have smart plugs. It's a Casa Smart Wi-Fi plugs, which my lights, they're also smart lights by Casa, which is even better. I did not know that we're going to do the same thing. So yeah, 4 of them. That's all I ordered. And guess what? Boom. There now. 2 sets of 4. I don't even think I use 4 plugs in this house. I know I use that one, that one, that one. I only do 3. Yeah, I have one right there at the stove. I don't use it. And yeah, still, they only hold 1 plug, it seems. As in 1 plug per outlet. Might be a good thing it was double. But guess what? That's not even the impressive part. This is, I'm trying to pop these back in the box, which that's not a way to go. I know they fit somewhat. Alright, so that's that. As you can see, there's 2 boxes. There are 2 boxes. There is. What's in the second box? Something I didn't order, but I will not turn down. It is another bulk supplement and a blue raspberry. That is random. Very random. That's the only thing in there. That just these two, and these are two of these and one of these and the bulbs. Mind blown. Like that doesn't make sense. Even if you're gonna get the order wrong and then say, it was lost, it should be two identical boxes, right? You should have two of those, two bulbs, two sockets. Even though I did not order two, I ordered one. So two in total, maybe. If it was right, two in total, and two bulb supplement. That's it. But no, I have two bulb supplements, 3 C4s, and 2 plugs, 2 cents. Oh, and I did get a refund for the last package, which is this one right here. This one. So, I win is a win. In the long run, this will save me about probably 3 months of pre-workout. Because I use about a jar a month. And the bulk supplement, it could be 9 months actually. Because I already have my blood saturated with creatine. So I don't do 2 scoops. I just do 1 plus the pre-workout. And then that's it for the day. Normally I take protein, but I was getting really big, and I'm already 222 pounds at this point in time. So yeah, that's a bit much. So I really need to stay at a consistent level. I may start to cardio. Like I started to use this for 2 months now. So I have 1 serving, just 1 serving a week. That's it. Yeah, just 1. That is it. It's just cookie and cream flavored whey protein. That's it. So yeah, I'm getting way too big. And the place I work right now, I don't do a lot of walking. Other than walking to work from gym, that's it. So most of the time I drive from work home, regardless. So I really don't do a lot of cardio, but it's just that I rather lift weights than run, and the time is against me in the mornings, let's say, because by the time I should finish my regular routine, that's it. I need to bathe and walk to work ASAP, or I'm gonna be late, and I can't be late because that's my bread and butter, let's call it that. If I'm late, that's a percentage of my pay gone. It only takes 2 late, I think, so I can't be times per 2 weeks, or my money's gone. Yeah. Wow, I really need to get back on the road, so you want to come back and check test those bulbs, not the bulbs, the plugs. But it's mine, it's not going anywhere, so I really need to get another app to better control this camera, because I can't keep just flipping my phone around. I do have a camera can maybe use, but it's not as convenient as just using my phone. Alexa, bedroom lights on.
The bedroom light isn't responding. Please check if the manual switch is turned on. The device has power and is online.
Charger. Right. That's it. Now hit the road. So yeah. Alexa, bedroom lights off.
Okay.
Okay, so I know you will. Alright. So yeah, I'm trying to turn this house into a smart house, but one step at a time. Of course, we're on the road to happiness, and that's just a pit stop. Let's see. I had to download a different app for camera, because the main one doesn't switch between front and back. Like, that makes no sense, but that's an Apple thing. So yeah, I got a different one. Yeah. The plug. So Right. Between the front and back camera, because Apple doesn't support it natively, which is a bit stupid. It's the same brand, so I have TP-Link and Casa. Yeah, so alright. It should be, yeah, that's the Echo box. Okay, so I guess it will be up here. Yeah, so Topple, that's the bulb, and that's the security cameras, which I'm not using at the moment. Yeah, not using those. But for now, this is it. Alright. Add to Casa, the plus button. Okay, hopefully they're small. Ugh. Oh. For some reason I thought it was the European outlet. But yeah, I'm gonna get it very clicky. So TP-Link. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to set one up. What do I use the most? Okay, so alright. I normally flip this switch every day before I leave for work. So I'm gonna use this outlet to do that. I have my Apple Watch charging, I have my Nintendo Switch dock plugged in. Well, this should be my Fire Stick, but I use the Fire Stick with the USB. This is now charging my Apple Watch, which this should be here, but I needed another charger for the other watch, and this is the Echo. And this is the Echo. What's this? Oh, the TV. Let's see. Off. Plug that out. I need to read the manual because I don't remember what it says. That's that. Tight. So it's searching. If I flip it on, it's on. So it's searching. Oh. Watch is charging. So for this, it says download the Casa app. I have that. I just press the plus button. That's it. Plug in and power. Okay. Alright. Let me just screen record and see what's up. Okay, so after you're connected to the network, then you search for the plugs and follow the steps. Simple as that. And then it's pretty straightforward. Alexa, turn off strip plug. Just turn off yourself. No, you can't turn it on back unless you use the app, but yeah, it works. Can't complain. Oh yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing with two. But hey, they were on sale. I bought one. I think they charged me for two. I'm not sure. Because they don't draw all the money at once. So it's kind of a pain to keep track of. Not unless I look at statements and all that, then it's an hassle. So it's already gone. I didn't get a refund, so it's basically free regardless. So that's that. Now I'm just gonna go and wash my gym clothes for tomorrow. And guess what? There's no water here, so I'm gonna do that by hand. Alexa, play lo-fi.
Here's a station.
This is way better with the lighting, but yeah. Back to washing.